Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be quick. We're going to go through the bridging from Fantom to Sonic. As you can see here on my pin post, I have a Sonic Spotlight, and in that you can see the wallet that is basically sponsorship funded. The idea of it is to get more eyes on different projects within Sonic. So as you can see here, Sonic position at the moment is only $191 in that on the chain now, and I have to obviously start moving funds over from Fantom to Sonic. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that today. We're going to do the first bridge of Fantom to Sonic and get some S tokens to start the entire process. So making sure, pay attention to links and use an official account. So you can see here Sonic Labs, it has the golden tick here. Again, just make sure you're using the right links. The pin post goes into all the information. So here it is, the Sonic Labs, the blog. And again, we have the information of how to add it to it. So if you're using Abby Wallet, it's going to automatically do this for you. So if you click on that link here, Sonic Labs, so it's my Sonic Labs, brings you to here, and from here then you just comes into this page with Rabby Wallet, which is brilliant. Instantly switches from one chain to the next. So all we're going to do here is we're just going to change it over. So for this scenario, I'm just going to change it, use 15 at the moment, because obviously I need to have Fantom on the Fantom chain to continue doing whatever I have to do. So with that, we'll receive 14.9 S tokens and pretty much just approve the process. It's the starting, I suppose, of it, of an exciting time ahead, I think, for definite, and something I'm really looking forward to. So transaction is pretty much going through there now, and on the Ledger wallet has been confirmed, transaction is done. We're going to quickly look at the apps. So I'll open that in a new tab, and here's a list of the apps currently on Sonic. Now there is a treasure trove of apps here at the moment, I think, to dive into, and there's a lot of these I think are still obviously in super early stages, but a lot of these now are going to be excellent for us for the DeFi opportunities, and especially if you follow DeFi plays in general. So there's a lot of them that I'm really looking forward to diving into it. Rings is one I'm really interested in, Silo Finance as well, and then obviously with Aave, you have Curve with Aave Finance is something that I'm really interested in as well. Again, I think it's key for the entire space of how we're going to transition and move around in the space. But as I said, the opportunities to do it. Lending, again, massive opportunity here for borrowing and lending. And I think once you can pretty much take advantage of borrowing and lending, it's going to be a game changer for the DeFi space. That should be waiting for that to kind of go through there now. And we want to be on Sonic, and if we click that on Sonic, you can see here the tokens have gone through. So you can see at 14.9 S tokens, that's going to be used for us to pretty much pay our gas fees going around, and slowly but surely we'll move these funds from here over to Sonic. So look, we leave it there for today. Again, short and quick video just to show you how it's done. Check it out, let me know if you have any questions. But again, one thing I want to emphasize is making sure you're using official links, and start it all from the Sonic Labs X account. Don't just type in to Google search. More than likely the first post is going to be a scam post, so just be wary of that. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and looking forward to the road ahead.